We've been here the past 2 days trying to clear out some paths and some area for us to come out here and sit by the lake and enjoy, maybe go camping here in the near future.
It's a pond.
Like, oh yeah, it's a pond.
What's up, guys? We got our new toy here, the CS-590 Echo. This thing is, or at least it appears to be, a freaking beast, and I can't wait to use it. We purchased this from Home Depot. I found it at a few places online that were used, but we chose to go the new route just because the used price wasn't that much of a discount. Let's open it up. This thing's awesome. I cannot wait to cut some stuff down. Seems fairly basic. You have the chain guard here that you could take off, and then there's a tensioner set screw to tighten and loosen the blade. A decompression valve. You press this before you start it. After prior use, it just helps starting it a little bit easier because there's not compression built up on the motor. The backside, you can take this piece off here to get to the air filter. Choke, on-off kill switch. The other side you have pull cord, your gas tank and your oil reservoir, and then a chain brake. One reason I chose to go with this one was the research I did online said it was a pretty good mix between commercial use or residential use, somebody with a small farm or something like we have, several acres of trees that we're constantly going to be needing it for the next few years for clearing out hunting lanes or for just cutting dead trees or fallen trees, making paths, cutting up firewood. I'm going to go ahead and put some gas and oil in it and we're going to get fired up.
So welcome back to the land, everyone.
Hello.
We've been here the past 2 days trying to clear out some paths and some area for us to come out here and sit by the lake and enjoy, maybe go camping here in the near future.
It's a pond.
Oh yeah, it's a pond. So we're just in here cleaning out some briars, some bushes, some small trees, trying to get this place a little more enjoyable. So far, we have the trail that comes up through the woods all cleaned out so that it's nice and defined coming in. And then here around the pond, we're just cleaning up all this underbrush. You can see all this greenery, vines, briars, small trees, that sort of thing. Just clearing it all out little bit by little bit.
Couple hours here, a couple hours there.
Yep.
My flag of freedom here. Yeah.
There we go. Have some giant burn piles whenever we're ready for that. But you can see kind of what it's looking like before, and then a little bit preview of an after. So a little more manicured, polished, easier to get down to the lake, less debris in the way. Hopefully we can clear up some of these overhead lower branches that hang down, so whenever we want to come out here and go fishing, we won't have to worry about getting our lines caught in these limbs anymore. But we have quite a ways to go.
Yeah, you'll see us hanging out here a lot in future videos for sure. Alright, so we've been out here for about 2 hours, and we've accomplished quite a bit. We have got all of this cleared out. Still some fine detail work to do, cutting some of these smaller branches that are sticking out, these stumps that are sticking up, and raking it all out. But as far as the majority of the underbrush, I think we did a pretty good job for the hour and a half or 2 hours we were out here. So hopefully we can come out here and fish and camp and hang out and bring our friends and family out here so you guys can see it in person. Anything you want to say to the worldwide interweb?
Hungry.
Hungry? And Chick-fil-A? Sunday, huh?
We obviously still have a lot of work to do, but it's definitely getting there.
What's that?
We still have a lot of work to do, but we're definitely getting there. I cut down a big tree with a pole saw.
All right, watch out.
The pole saw.